Good morning, good morning, family. Happy Thursday morning, guys. Happy Thursday morning. How are y'all doing? How's y'all's day been yesterday, guys? How was things? How was life? How was everything? Guys, we're doing okay. Yesterday I was just not feeling 100%, guys, so I apologize for not coming back. But yeah, we're doing fine. We're good. I'm here at the Pack and Save already. I came straight here, and guys, it is full. The parking area is full. It is just busy on the road with the cars. I don't know. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tuesday I was here as well, right? Was it Tuesday? I was here Tuesday and Wednesday. And then okay, but yesterday I understand because it was the strike. But Tuesday it wasn't like this. So I don't know what's going on. But everybody's back on the street, on the road, guys, and the sun is shining. It's a beautiful day, guys, but it's still chilly outside. It's chilly, but I don't care about any of that. I'm just glad the sun is shining and it's a beautiful day. So yeah, I'm gonna go into Pack and Save, guys. I have to go to the mall, but I'm not gonna go to the mall. I'm just gonna go Pack and Save, and then I'm gonna run in at the party shop. Guys, I was too lazy to walk around, and I should have, because the traffic in Waira is just ridiculous, Waira Road. But anyway, I'm here now. So I'm thinking this looks like a bear. I actually think it's not a bear, because when I went online, I think it's a dog or something. But to me it looks bear-like, so I'm gonna take this. Guys, I have the knee-high yellow. I don't think she's gonna use any of this, but I'm just getting it. Later. Alrighty, family, I'm home safe and sound, and LOL, I took the long stockings. Yeah, I took the long stockings, and then I still bumped into the painting teacher in the shop as well. Anyway, guys, so this is the meat for the week, or what I'm planning on using. First of all, I grabbed some more beef patties. I got these fish cakes. It looked so nice, and it was $5. It was on sale for $5. And I've got some more prawn cutlets. What I'm thinking on Saturday, because I also got this chicken breast, guys, that I might put in panko. That taco thingies that we made last Saturday was so nice. The small taco things that we made with the chicken. But I'm thinking to make, use the chicken and this to make tacos on Saturday again. So prawn tacos, chicken tacos, but I only bought one box. And then just make fish cakes with it. I think it's going to be nice. And then at the back, this was marked down to $7. This is what I'm going to use today. I'm going to put it in the oven, guys. Spice it up, put it in the oven. And then I've got chicken nibbles. And I've got another one. I've got two. And then you guys saw the chicken breast. I just bought this beef stir fry. I don't know. I'll do something with veggies and stuff with it later in the week. And then I just got some New Zealand. Why am I saying New Zealand? I got some chicken thighs. This is the bone in, I think, yeah. But anyway, because I've got that teriyaki sauce, guys, so I was thinking maybe doing that. Sorry, guys. I wasn't feeling tired, but tiredness just came over me now. And then just put the teriyaki sauce over that. So yeah, guys, this is it for the meat. Okay, I've got some more cold things. So I've got a butter, look here. I've got a butternut. I've got a buttercup, I think is what it's called. Buttercup squash. I think that's what it's called, because last week I was like, what is this? Let's just call it a pumpkin squash. No, but it's a buttercup squash, I think. Then we've got some butter. We've got some cheese slices, guys. We've got some cheese crankies. We've got some peas. We've got some crispy salad. What is it called? It's just a salad, a green salad. And then we've got some ham. We've got some Italian salami, guys. We've got some Greek yogurt, passion fruit yogurt. I don't know if I said cream. And then I bought some half and half, guys. I want to try this in the coffee, but I almost think it's going to be very creamy. Like very rich. I don't know, but I want to try it out. So I bought that. I'm going to put this. That's why I took the slow cooker out, guys. I'm going to put this in the slow cooker quickly to add with tonight's dinner. Yeah. Okay, next I think I'm going to do the fruit and veggies. Alrighty, guys. Some fruit and veg. I can't remember. Did I have this out? I had it on the side, and then I now don't know if I showed it or not. But anyway, I've got some yellow onions because I'm all out of onions. Yellow onions, red onions. And then instead of buying big carrots, I bought crumpets. Okay. I bought these carrots because then I'm thinking like they can just dip it in the hummus and just eat it like that. So I'm going to put that in a little container. I've got some strawberries. I've got grapes. I've got a broccoli, 2 avocado peas. Only 1 tomato because I cut up. Pardon, guys. When did I cut up that tomato? This morning or yesterday? Oh, I actually think in hindsight I should have bought 2. But anyway, there's 1. I've got a cucumber. And then I've got celery because hubby uses the celery sticks. Oh my gosh. Focus. And then I don't know, I'll just have to eat from the leaves because I use it in soup, but it's not always that making soup. So yeah, guys, there we go, fruit and veg. Okay, guys, then for the school lunches, we've got some honey soy chicken, some Doritos. I got some Biscoff smooth. I bought picked up some more mayo. I've got 2 natural nuts, a nutty butter, 2 milk, another panko breadcrumbs, a Mountain Dew. We've got some Griffin's chocolate chippies again, baking soda. Where's the container of this? I kept the container of the last baking soda. I'm just going to throw it over there. Some jasmine rice. Yeah, that is it. I actually was going to make rice today, but I think I'm going to make it tomorrow, seeing that I'm making mac and cheese today. Because me and my aunt was just chatting about rice, and she said yes, the white rice with coriander and butter in it is also nice. And I'm like, oh, butter, sometimes I put coriander in, but I've never tried it with butter, so I want to do that. I'll split the rice up in 2 because I don't think anyone else will like it. Maybe hubby, I don't know, but yeah. And then I'll try it with some butter in. Oh, it sounds delicious. But what I wish was it's the basmati rice, because I'm the only one that really likes basmati in the house. Everybody else likes jasmine. So I just bought that. But I'll get some basmati again. But definitely tomorrow I'll cook some rice and do that. So yeah, guys, let's carry on. And then we have some eggs over here, guys. We've got everyday bagels. We use this over a weekend. I've got some more waffles, which I'm going to put in the freezer. We've got some, for the lunch boxes, some of these blocks. They were actually on sale, and this was the last, and I just took it. A Just Juice apple, a fresh up apple. We've got some paper towel, 2-ply paper towel. We've got some bread rolls because I didn't go to the mall to count down. We've got baking paper, and we've got chicken mini crackers. And then just talking about the mall, I wanted to buy the $13 eggs from the warehouse again, but we still have some left, but I think it's so good. But I'm saying butter a lot. I didn't go there, as you guys know, so I bought this, and it's okay. It was $9.99 for 18, and it's the size 6. But I prefer the others. So yeah, guys, now I think we've got about 2 bags left or something like that. Yeah. All right, guys, and then I've got some crisps or chips. Smoky cheese and bacon. This was on sale, $2. And then I bought the Extreme Crunch sweet chili. That's really nice because it's Extreme Crunch. And then the Bluebird was also on sale, I think $1.50 or something, and I picked up a chicken. And then this is instead of buying the whole kit again, guys, because I didn't really like, the spice was nice, but I didn't like, it's not like crispy enough. It doesn't make the chicken crispy enough. So I thought, now I can make my own concoction to get that crispy. So I just bought the wraps, and then yeah, I'll use this on Saturday for tacos again. It was really nice. And then we still have some of that because it came with a nice sauce. What was the sauce called? Let me see. We still have some left. Chipotle and lime mayo. This was the sauce that came in that kit, guys. So I just pulled out all the little sauces that I have. So there's still a little left there if anybody wants. But I think my son is using this during the week because I can see it went down. That's fine. We still got other sauces in the fridge. So yeah, so last but not least now is the toiletries. All right, and these are the toiletries that I bought for the week. I've got some toilet paper, wipes, Blue Protect soap, Colgate whitening, some underarm, toilet spray, toilet gel for the toilet bowl, some dishwasher, some mouthwash, and then body wash that I use as hand wash. Yeah, I just throw it in our hand wash dispensers in the bathroom and in the kitchen. Yes, guys, so this is it. This is it, guys. $370. Can you imagine? It's like nothing, eh? And then I also have to go get I think I like have a few dollars left, so I have to go get tomorrow. I have to go get I can't talk. What's it called? Food powder. Sorry, I'm gonna go get food powder. I need to go get apple cider vinegar. I need to go get bread rolls because that's not going to be enough for next week for the children's school lunches. But that is all at the mall, so I'm just going to run in there tomorrow quickly. And yeah, guys, so another week done. We thank God for hubby the strength that he can go out and work and provide for the family. Yeah, it's a blessing. So let me put this away and carry on in the kitchen. Family, I'm just gonna start cooking quickly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna season the chicken wings with all-purpose seasoning. Oh, and I'll drizzle some just get it. I'll drizzle some olive oil over it. That will go in the oven. Sorry guys, there's a lot of light coming in, and I even closed the blinds already because it's so nice and sunny outside. It's lovely. Okay, and then I'm gonna make quick mac and cheese for the kids. So I've got my macaroni. I'm gonna use 4 cheese sauce. I'm gonna use milk and cream, and that is it. Is that it? I'm trying to think. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna boil the macaroni now. I'm gonna season the chicken, put it in the oven, and then I've put some what you call it, that butternut in the slow cooker. Oh, and the peas, guys, I'm gonna steam some peas also with it as well. Yeah, so that is it, quick and easy. So I'm gonna get started. Usually I would separate the wings and like throw this little footy away, but I'm not even doing all of that. I'm putting everything into the oven. So yeah, quick and easy dinner tonight. I'm all done cooking, so let me show you guys. I've got the mac and cheese at the back. I had 2 things in the oven at the same time, so this was more to the top, so it's a bit brown, but that's nice. And then I've got the chicken wings over there, guys. I bought the wrong peas. It's not minted though, because that's the one we don't like. But I usually buy baby peas because they're sweeter. But I bought garden peas. But anyway, I put some salt over them, a little butter, so they taste okay. And then we've got some green beans left from yesterday, and we've got some butternut over here, just came out of the slow cooker. So, and then we still got a little potato salad in the fridge that hubby can have as well. And is there anything else there in the fridge? Nah, I think that is it. I'm trying to think, guys, as far as veggies are concerned, but I think that is it. So yeah, guys, this is what is for dinner in our household on a Thursday evening. And then this was my dinner. I had from the mac and cheese, the peas, the beans, string beans. I had one piece of chicken, and I had some butternut with a dollop of butter, and then of course my Greek yogurt concoction on the side. But oh guys, the food was delicious. So bon appetit, family. Family, jello. It's much later. I actually wanted to go sit outside and get some sun because it's such a beautiful day, guys. But see, I can't even get outside. And then the grass man came. So now I'm competing with the grass man. He stopped a bit now. Maybe he can hear me. No, he can't hear me, guys. He's down there and he's got stuff on his ears. But then I thought, nah, I'm not going to go sit outside and say goodbye to you guys because I'm going to be shouting my head off and yours ears off. So anyway, guys, we've come to the end, guys. Thank you for being with me today, doing some cooking and with the grocery haul and running to the look shop, the costume shop. I actually ran, I don't know if I told you guys, I actually ran into the one of the art teachers at the shop, the painting teacher. And then she was like, oh, I don't even know what time I'm going to go as tomorrow. And then she said last year she was the Mad Hatter. And then I said to her, why don't you go as the Cat in the Hat? Because she's tall. So she said, oh, that's an idea. And then she said, oh, but do I have everything I need? The most important thing for that Cat in the Hat is the hat. And Look Shop had a hat there, a cat hat, his hat. So I don't know, she said, oh, I might come back. Because if you've got like, even just the colors at home, the red or the whatever, that's fine, you know. Just, I've come to the conclusion, even if you just have one or two features that really stands out about that character, then that's good. And me and my daughter was just chatting and stuff. I said to her, there's also the Bernstein bees, because the Bernstein bees, but she actually wears a pink dungaree, but pink and white. There again. Got a white t-shirt, she's got a pink overalls. But I mean, even if you just have a pink cardigan or something and wear your jeans, as long as you have something, you know, and we've got the bear ear. So it's up to her if she wants to do it, as long as you have like something about that character that stands out, you know, and you made an effort. It's part of school spirit, you know. So anyway, guys, that's that. So yeah, guys, I know the past 2 days I've been a bit distracted, you know, and not engaging like I like to engage. But anyway, we're gonna get there. And guys, I was so tired yesterday. I was under the weather. I was so tired yesterday at about, I think, what time was that? At about 9:45, I think. Yeah, but I didn't even, my aunt texted me something before 10. I got it in the morning, the message, but I was gone by that time. I think 20 to 10, I was lights out. And then I woke up at 2 o'clock. But then I just fell back asleep again and I woke up at 5:30. That's normally my time. But see, I was so tired. Anyway, yeah, so that's that, guys. So I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Tomorrow. So I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Yeah, and then, oh, thank God, it's Friday tomorrow. Oh, thank goodness. So, guys, stay strong, stay blessed, stay encouraged, and love yourself, because you're absolutely worthy of all the love in the world, guys. No one can love you like you can love you, and that's just that on that. Yeah, that's just that on that, guys. And have a good day / night wherever you are, guys. Remember, stay vigilant, going to work, taking your children to school, everywhere. Just be aware of your surroundings and the company that you keep. And then what else did I want to say? There was something else I wanted to say. I forgot. In and out. It's like a train station up here. The idea or the thought goes in and just runs up there again. It will circle around again, guys. But anyway, love you guys so much. I love you all. I appreciate you all. Thank you for allowing me on your journey, and thank you for being on my journey, guys. And remember, whatever you're facing, your mountains, your stuff, this too shall pass. Deep breaths and just breathe. Feel the moment, go through the emotions, breathe it out, and then we carry on again, guys. We carry on, we chug along, doing all the things that we're supposed to be doing. And yeah, guys. So until tomorrow morning, love you guys so much. Bye.